have some quick rapid fire questions for you. Ready, Naviru?
Done. Of course.
Yes.
Better be nice to me.
Okay. So, what is your nickname other than Cherry?
My friends call me Devil. I don't know why. They call me the Tasmanian Devil.
What is the first thing you do when you get up in the morning?
My 2 espresso shots, coffee.
What is your favorite TV show?
Anything to do with travel and food, I watch.
Do you watch Game of Thrones?
No. I think I'm missing out a lot, right?
Will you start watching it?
I'll definitely start. I think నాకు ఇప్పుడు ధ్రువ షూటింగ్ తర్వాత I got a break. I'll definitely catch up.
What is your favorite day in the gym?
Monday.
What do you do on Mondays?
I do a lot of cardio.
What's your favorite drink?
Sprite.
Who's your best gym partner?
Myself, I don't have a gym partner.
Okay.
My trainer.
What's the favorite movie that your dad acted in?
My favorite is Gang Leader.
What's your most fond memory of your childhood?
The best moments of my childhood, where my dad takes 15 of my cousins every year on one holiday, and I missed every holiday for some reason.
Oh.
So yeah, apart from that, I think my boarding school days when I studied in Lawrence Lovedale, Ooty.
Okay.
I think that's my most memorable days.
What is Upasana really like?
She is a great crowd puller. I think we try attracting people on screen, but in real she attracts a lot of people. People love hanging out with her, and she's the best thing in the house.
Most special gift that you received from Upasana?
She'll gift me anything. She'll gift me like a coffee mug, to chappals, to making some nice cake. That will be a gift also.
She really knows you completely.
And we don't really exchange any the expensive gifts. Same we don't believe in that. We believe in the small things which matter.
Best thing about being in Hyderabad?
The climate right now, it's beautiful. I think it's so cool for so many months, and summer is only for like hardly 2 months. So I love Hyderabad city.
And what country in this world would you like to visit?
Maybe go for a skiing trip. I want to learn skiing.
Whom would you like to go with?
Obviously my wife.
What is something you always take with when you travel?
My music system.
Your favorite song?
Anything John Legend.
Where did you go on your first date?
I don't remember.
Okay.
I hope Oopsie doesn't see this.
Historical figure would you like to have coffee with?
Maybe I want to have coffee with Hitler. I want to see how he can think so mean. I really want to get into his head once.
Oh.
He's very intriguing as a person.
What was your first job and how much did you earn?
For the jobs I do at home, I don't get paid. Free service.
Good boy. Who's your style icon?
Saif Ali Khan is really, really stylish.
If you can live in any era, what would it be?
I want to go back to my 90s. I love my 90s.
Oh, any fond memories?
A lot of them in my 90s. I think starting my first horse riding classes to going to the first day of boarding school and everything about the 90s.
So, what is it that you love the most about horse riding?
Horse riding, I think I'm very comfortable with that animal. Like people are comfortable with dogs and cats. I'm very comfortable with horses. I think I understand them, and it's an instant connection I have.
Oh, I think this will answer the next question, which is what is your spirit animal?
Horse.
And how would you describe yourself in 3 words?
How can you talk about yourself so much? I don't know. I can't talk about myself so much. No, I can't talk about.
Like if you ask us, I would say
for example,
awesome,
what about you?
I was telling about
what about you?
Me, talkative, Ram Charan's fangirl, and excited.
I can't think of any tags for me.
Okay, I think we'll be good.
Next, I think your tags for me were better than what I could think of for myself.
Yeah, awesome. And what is something that most people don't know about you?
People think I don't like interacting much, but I love interacting with people. I can just sit in this living room and sit with you guys for like 2-3 hours if there is something interesting.
What is your worst habit?
Worst habit, I am not a morning person. So my mornings are very, very lazy. So I don't get up, I cancel my meetings, anything. Unless it's a shoot, I don't get up in the mornings.
Khaidi number 150 or Dhruva?
What about this? Both. Both better do well. Both will do well, both will do fantastic, both will be loved by the audience.
Your favorite dialogue of Pawan Kalyan?
Badrinath. Just saying his name was so cool.
Hollywood star you look up to?
I like Johnny Depp. I think he's very interesting as an actor. Dwayne Johnson.
Similarity between you and Dhruva.
I think Dhruva character and me always look at the other side of any situation or anything.
Favorite song in Dhruva?
Title and Chusa.
Okay, describe Rakul Preet Singh in one word.
Oh, hyper, talkative, hard worker, disciplined,
Oh,
future superstar.
that's awesome. I actually
yeah, a lot
wrote
of
down
tags.
3 words, but then I realized meek में 3 words Shepkulit Gada and 1 word Kajeta.
But she's going up the ladder and she's here to stay for a long time.
Yeah. Your favorite Surinder Reddy's movie?
Favorite, I think, will be Kick.
An impression, mannerism of Chiranjeevi Garu.
On screen, he becomes a child, and I like that innocence. The childlike mannerism he has. Even if he knows everything, he'll still listen to you like he's listening to for the first time.
A message to your fans.
I think they are far superior than I am, I feel. That's why they put me here. Don't hurt anybody, don't encourage piracy.
Why do you think we should watch Dhruva?
Great screenplay. It'll keep you on your toes and edge of your seat. That's a beautiful experience. You should see it.
Definitely gonna watch it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm gonna come. Thank you.